Hey guys, today we're going to work on cycle two's activity. So during cycle two, you are going to develop coloring your one of your thumbnail sketches or your compositional sketches that we did in last trimester. Now, I don't want you to color your final artwork yet. We are going to first explore some color schemes to see if they work well together, and we'll check in with our groups to discuss and give each other feedback before we actually start our final painting or coloring our final artwork. So, in Google Classroom, you will see that you have an activity called Bimester 3 Cycle 2 activity. And there are some instructions. You can go and click on the slide that I shared with you, and let's see. Are you ready to create? When we use color in an artwork, we want to create harmony and unity. So it's very important to understand the role color plays in a final artwork. Therefore, choose your colors wisely. Combine the colors that you feel would look good in the foreground. Carefully select the colors that you will place in the background, and especially with pop art. What colors do you think will really pop out without clashing? So let's study the color schemes to see which ones would work nicely together. And then we'll discuss with our group if they agree that these colors look good together or if they maybe have a different suggestion for you. The color schemes are, well, we know complementary colors because we've studied that before, but something that might be new to you could be rectangle or tetratic color schemes. These are also complementary. So they are in a rectangular shape across each other on the color wheel. Analog, which are colors next to each other on the color wheel. So these are nice if you want to create a monochromatic tone in your artwork. So you could do 3 colors on the warmer side of the color wheel or 3 colors on the cooler side of the color wheel. That's up to you. And generally, monochromatic colors, if you choose cool colors, it might create a feeling of sadness, or it could be more calming and soothing. These colors have different effects on different people. But generally, if you choose more brighter colors like the warmer colors, then you would generally receive a feeling of excitement or happiness. So yeah, that's something to consider. And then red, yellow, and blue violet, or colors that are in a triangular shape on the color wheel. They're also complementary and they're called triadic. And we get square and split complementary. So that's a nice color scheme to study for before actually creating or coloring your artwork. Remember, color one of your previous thumbnails so that you don't finalize or use colors in your final artwork and then you can't change it.